So, eutectoid, and what would be the chemical composition of the eutectoid in a carbon steel? Eutectoid temperature.
It's a mixture of ferrite and carbide.
Yes. But I look at that and I won't know what that will. And then when I start to look at it, I'm thinking, well, it looks as if it's quite fast. Fast reaction. You can see all these very sharp things here. So you've got to look at you, use your eyes. Now then, what's that then? Yes. So what eutectoid composition is that likely to be? Is it 0.84? Is it less than 0.84? Or is it greater than 0.84?